Choco can't come with us. He will wear out halfway to Olón, so we have to go get him to stay here without us.
Mom. With his mom and dad. I don't think he
Yeah, and he knows what we're doing and he really wants to go.
Yeah. This is kind of steep. It's good glute workout walking back up there.
Yep. And we're off.
Woo. Totally reach and jump out of the water. It's so amazing. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I can't believe we're walking on the beach and seeing these whales. There it is. Oh my god, there it is.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh, it's so beautiful. That was, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. We've been walking along the beach to Olón and I looked over and there is this huge whale just jumping out of the water. It was so beautiful, so cool. I think there's actually 2 of them out there. Pretty far, but they're huge, obviously, because they're whales. They're the humpback whales, and you can totally see their tails and then their bodies when they jump up. And we haven't even been on our whale watching trip yet. So really exciting. In case you can't tell, I'm very excited. That it is overcast and it's been in the mid-70s, so I think the weather's really nice, but it is winter here in Ecuador. So July and August is the winter season, which means a little rain, but mostly it's overcast. And it's quite chilly in Cuenca.
Yeah. So what's the high season?
Oh, high season is December through April. We have not been here during high season, and now I'm very curious. We will be back with a follow-up video of high season in Olón. So we have not made it to Olón yet, but we're gonna do a little exploring while we're here. It's a beautiful church. out there attempting to surf. We're excited to go and visit the town and hopefully get a snack. Someone in this town has great taste.
In names?
In names, yes. We hopped on a bus to Montañita. A lot of people are getting on and off, so I'm glad we decided not to go this route to get here. We're going to try taking the direct bus back when they don't have all these stops.
Back to where?
Back to Cuenca. Or no, I'm sorry, back to Guayaquil. But what's nice is that this is actually a very comfortable bus, so I'm not complaining. And it actually feels good to be sitting. That was a much longer walk than we had anticipated. JP thinks it was like 8 miles.
Yeah, instead of kilometers.
Yeah, instead of kilometers, 8 miles. That's a huge difference. But all is good. Quick and easy bus ride. It cost 50 cents a person, and now we are here in Montañita.
So we're not exactly sure where this vegan restaurant is here in Montañita. And unfortunately, we haven't downloaded the Google Maps app to our Ecuador phone, and the Apple Maps for Ecuador are awful. In fact, this whole city on the Apple Maps is actually in the ocean. So unless this is Venice, I don't think it's accurate. And so we're trying to meander our way down to the beach to find this restaurant. Hopefully it's easy to find because we're both starving. It took a lot longer to walk to Olón from La Entrada than we anticipated.
So good thing we had snacks.
We did have a snack, but it wasn't enough for the starving vegan.
Because it's not warm enough for me. I would definitely come to the Aloha Surf School because they are affiliated with this fantastic vegan restaurant. Yay, go vegan. So I'm really happy to see we sat down and 3 other people have sat down, 3 other tables, all fit vegans eating vegan food, and JP came over. You will see all these other restaurants are empty. Bought this beautiful necklace from the same vendor that I bought a pair of earrings from in Cuenca. So it was really funny. I recognized the style and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks just like the guy that made those other earrings, and there he was. And I love it. And now we're standing in front of another vegan and vegetarian place. So we're not hungry, obviously, but when we come back, we'll visit this place.
We just left Montañita, and we're heading back to La Entrada.
Hi, veggie lovers. We're back from our adventure. The tide is coming in. Hopefully you can see that behind us. So we timed it nicely, although we took a cab back. After that 8-mile walk, we were pretty tired. We had a delicious vegan lunch right on the beach at Infinite Love. It was fantastic. $15, and that included a full Ecuadorian almuerzo, which is 3 courses, soup, your entree, and then a little dessert and juice. And we also had a couple of grande club verdes. Montañita is definitely a party town, but it was kind of cool, so we stopped and saw the same vendor that I bought these earrings in Cuenca, and he was there, so I got this necklace. It's just kind of random. But we're decided we want to go back and experience more of Montañita and take lots of pictures, hang out on the beach. But next time we're going to hop on the bus.
And there's another vegan restaurant.
Yeah, oh yeah, how can I forget? And we talked to another vegan restaurant, so we're going to go and try that. Plus, they are going to make us some vegan bread because you can't buy any vegan bread here. Unfortunately, in this whole area, they use lard. Manteca, I believe, is the Ecuadorian word for lard. And that is no bueno. So fortunately, we found a vegan guy who makes his own bread, so we will not go hungry. We will not be without pan. Please remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And stay tuned for some more exciting video from the coast and from all of our adventures. We'll see you guys soon.